Hello everyone, I am Ash Kumar, currently owning my skills as a full stack web developer trainee at SkillsYard. Today I am thrilled to showcase my latest creation, which is QuickChat in the field of AI. Let me give you a brief overview of my project. QuickChat is a smart chat app that uses API key from OpenAI. It has Firebase for easy sign-in and uses Tailwind for responsive. QuickChat brings together latest web technologies for improving user experience. Basically, it has four technologies: OpenAI, Firebase, Vite, and Tailwind. Now I will show you my project. So this is the login page. So we can log in manually or through Google or GitHub using Firebase. So I will log in through GitHub. After login, we have come to the chat interface. Now we will search something like what is OneStack. So this is working through API key from OpenAI like this. So now we will move on to key features. So these are the key features that I used in my project. OpenAI integration. So it is a building block of QuickChat. Through OpenAI, user can chat with AI in real time. It delivers intelligent responses and make conversation more engaging. Second one is Firebase authentication. Like I said before, it is used for security. Firebase is also used for authentication. User can log in through Google, GitHub or manually, and their profile picture will be shown in the chat interface. Third one is Tailwind CSS. So I use Tailwind for responsive design, and it is a modern design that adapts beautiful across different platforms. Fourth one and the last one is Vite. So I have used Vite. It is a development tool and I have used for its acceleration building time. It makes app more responsive and it is used for optimization. Now I will show you where I have applied these key features. So in this file, when we create an account on Firebase, these are the credentials provided by Firebase. So now we will move on to the login file. In login file, we have made two async functions named as sign in with Google and sign in with GitHub. In this function, we have made when we call these two functions using onClick. Now we move on to auth context. So in auth context file, there is a hook use context, which is a global object. It is used to change the state from parent to child. So now we move on to challenges and solutions. First challenge is efficiently API integration. It is one of the major challenges to integrate OpenAI's API efficiently. The goal was to ensure that chat was delivered in real time without any delay. To solve this, I optimized the API requests and handle them asynchronously. Second challenge is Firebase authentication and profile personalization. Another challenge was implementing Firebase authentication. I needed to securely fetch and display user data, including their profile images. It can be handled through effectively session handling. Now we move on to future enhancement. There are three future enhancements. First was conversation history. In like ChatGPT, we can revisit the history. Second is multi-language support. To make QuickChat accessible to a global audience, we need to do a multi-language, not in one language, but it can be used in multi-language. Third is enhanced user setting. It allows user to customize their chat preferences, such as adjusting the tone or personality with AI. So the conclusion is QuickChat is a smart chat app that uses OpenAI API key, and it highlights my skill integrating AI with web development and showcase my ability to create innovative solutions. Special shout out to Amit sir for guiding me throughout the project. Thank you.